Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. In this video I'll show you how to use voice commands. In the beginning, make sure that the voice commands are enabled for your camera and then simply say OK Garmin, OK Garmin, OK Garmin, OK Garmin, record video. OK Garmin, stop recording. OK Garmin, record audio. OK Garmin, stop audio. OK Garmin, take a picture. Now you can enter the Garmin app, and as you can see, it has taken some pictures and videos. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.